Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. Today is the 28th of February, 2022, and I'm going to look at XLM coin. So we're going to look and see where things are at, see if there's any potential for entries or for exits if I want to jump out for taking profit. So we'll take a look at the chart and we'll look at that. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I document my journey. I let you guys know when I'm jumping in and where my exit's going to be. I also do videos for you guys too. Some of you guys are stuck in on coins and you're wanting to see kind of where you are within the grid system of how I lay things out. So if you guys are stuck in coins right now and you'd like me to do a video, kind of like the one you're about to see, please let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what coin you bought in at and what price you bought in at, and I'll do a video so we can all learn, okay? So let me go ahead and get started. If you're not subscribed, you can click that little red icon over here and subscribe, and then smack the bell when it pops up. But if you're not going to subscribe just yet, just give me a few minutes, and I think you're going to subscribe, right? I'm going to share with you guys some information, and it's going to be valuable, and I'm not going to waste your time, okay? Trust me. Okay, you're going to see some stuff you have never seen before, okay? So let me go ahead and get going. I'll share my screen with you guys. Boom, here we go. All right, so let me real quick share this. Sometimes I can't do a full-on video for you guys that are adding comments down below, so I'll do a quick one for you. And I posted over here on my Instagram channel, Investing Points. So what you guys can do is I recommend heading over to Instagram, searching Investing Points, and then click follow and follow me over there. And you can find some of my other quick videos that I've done for people that have asked me to in here, okay? And I'll keep posting them in here also. Okay, so let me get back to my screen. So let me explain what's going on here. I've got a lot of different bases drawn out here, and I'm going to explain why this is something that you're going to want to consider, okay? So what happens is I draw these bases, and more often than not, when price action falls below that base, it'll linger for a while. It might drop a little bit more, but ultimately, more often than not, guys, it swings and it touches that point, okay? Sometimes it'll go above it, but usually it'll hit that point and then it'll drop even lower. Just depends on if it's a bull or bear market. This works in a bull or a bear market, okay? Let me show you guys some examples. Right there, it broke that base. It swung down, everybody freaked out, and they sold. And then as soon as they sold, what'd it do? It went back up and touched that base again, right? Right there. Here's another one. It broke it, and it came back up. Here's another one. It broke it, took a while, but came back up over here. Same thing, broke this base, came back up over here. It broke this base, swung down, came back up. It broke this base, swung down, came back up. It broke these two little bases here and came back up. It broke this base, came back up. It broke this base, came back up right here. It broke this base a couple times, swung back up. It did a little break right there, came back up. It broke this base and came back up. So when I say more often than not, sometimes it's usually more often than not, okay? Let me just keep going for those of you guys that are like, I don't know about this. Okay, it broke this base and swung back up. It broke this base and swung back up. It broke this base and swung back up. It broke this base, lingered down here, played at the bottom, swung back up, and then it broke this base right here and swung back up. But you're going, yeah, Ryan, but what about this one? Or what about this one right here? I guess we could go with that one. So this is the area that we're playing in right now. So get a pen. I'm going to share this with you guys. This coin has been down since the last big dump in May. But based upon history that I just showed you guys, more often than not, when it breaks certain bases, it comes back up, right? And most of the coins that I was in back in May, even though I jumped out because I got nervous, they ultimately swung back up around September, October, and they hit. So this is what I'm seeing on XLM. Write this down. And also, if you haven't seen that before, if this is something new to you guys, I need your help. Look down below the video. There's a little icon of a thumbs up sign. It's a little bit to the right of center, right over here. If you could tap that with your mouse and give me a thumbs up. It only takes a second. It's just letting YouTube know that you found my information interesting and helpful and something you'd like to look at a little bit closer, okay? It also helps me with the algorithm. So if you guys could do that, I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so let me explain where we're at. So if I'm going to jump into XLM, and XLM and XRP are the top coins that I am holding on. I have the most money in on those two coins. And I explained it in my XRP video. If you guys go over to my channel, you will see here, I did one on XRP here. Let me refresh that. There we go. A lot of people are looking at the XRP because a lot of people are interested in XRP. So go watch that, okay? Click on my username when this video is done and you'll see it right there and you guys can go watch it. Okay, let me go back. So let me share with you guys how to read this. So ultimately, if I'm on a long-term hold, which, I mean, look at that. We're coming up on almost a year now, but on a long-term hold, it should swing back up to this point. 0.62 cents, right? But there's a lot of opportunity to take little profits for myself. I could have played any one of these little base cracks and made quick profits. There was probably 15, 20 of them, and I could even go further back if I want to and draw these bases in, and it works for any coin. So I could jump in on any of these little cracks and ride it till it comes back up. You just have to be patient. You have to sit back and wait. So if I want to jump in on it, I could jump in on it now. It is 0.196. I could jump in on it and I could take any of these potential areas for profit. And you can write these down if you want, so you guys can do your own research. I could take profit here at 21 cents, 0.216. I could take profit here, 0.242, or here, 0.262, or here, 0.307, or here, 0.334, or here, 0.38. Now, if I choose any of these points right here, I'll be able to take profit faster than if I set my take profit up here. But if I have plenty of money, I can sit back and just wait for the day. But think about how much money I can make on this. But I could have been making money all along down here, right? I could have maybe made more money playing all this, but I'd have to jump into a bunch of trades. So at any point from where I'm at right now, 0.196, I could choose any take profit point all the way up to 0.63. But if I want to ensure getting my money back faster, I'm going to choose probably somewhere right up in this range. Doesn't matter. Anywhere within that range would be fine. I just have to sit back and wait because remember, more often than not, it drops it and then it swings back up and hits it. So you just got to be patient. Don't get scared when it drops low, okay? So for those of you guys that have been watching me for a while, that's XLM. I'll be doing other videos. If you guys are stuck in on coins, let me know in the comments down below and maybe I'll do a video on it. And for those of you guys that have been watching me for a while or are new, please subscribe now. I told you I'm going to share with you something interesting. So subscribe now. You guys can check out my other videos and smack that bell, right? And do a thumbs up, please. That helps me out with the algorithm. But let me show you guys. Here is my other channel. Here's my, where am I? Here's all my videos. If you click my videos tab here on my account, you'll see all the coins that I've been doing. And what I do is I document once they take profit. Now we're in a bear market, so things are taking a little bit longer to swing, right? But look, when they do swing, I do a video. Took profit, 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 took profit. So as these coins are all these coins right here, once they start swinging up, I'll be doing videos on them as they come through. And over here on my Excel spreadsheet, if you guys want a copy of it, I track all my trades. You can see all the ones that have been clearing. Look at all these that have been clearing. You can see I've been trading for a while, ever since the pandemic. Look at all these green trades. I have some red. That's because I was doing stop losses or I got nervous like back in May and I jumped out, but I don't do stop losses anymore. And I don't jump out of trades anymore because if I win 9 out of 10 times, it's just a matter of waiting. Look at all these that have cleared just since December 24th. Okay. All these, and then I've got 2 more over here, and I've got 3 over here. I had 9 other coins in here that were about ready to take profit, and then everything dropped again once Bitcoin dropped. But it's just a waiting game. I'm not nervous. I put my trading. I buy. As soon as I buy, I put my order into sell, and I sit back. I wait. I go upon my day. I work out. I get huge. No, I'm just kidding. I don't do that anymore. I'm too old now. But that's what I do. So I'll be doing more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you want a copy of this spreadsheet for yourself so you can track it, you can put your coin, you can put your amount of investment that you want to put in. You can quickly calculate how many coins automatically it gives you at the entry price, the exit price, and then the potential profit that you're going to make when on your entry price, right? And then I've got the percentage that you're going to make on your money. Okay. So if you want that, I'll give it to you guys for free. All you have to do is go over to my Instagram account, follow me on Investing Points, and then send me a DM with your email address, a direct message, and then let me know your email address and just say, hey, can you send me the spreadsheet? And I'll email it to you, okay? I've got a bunch of people requesting it, so I don't mind sending it to you guys so you guys can track all your trades. If you have friends that are in crypto, please send them a link to my video so that they can check it out and see everything I've talked about here about the breaking the bases and coming back up. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll be doing more videos here probably tomorrow, okay? Have a great night. Bye-bye.